Hello my friends, and welcome back for another power-up session. 5 minutes to increase your energy, focus the mind, and improve your overall productivity. Today we're going to be doing one of my favorite breathing techniques, the Wim Hof Breath, where we'll be focusing on a complete inhalation through the mouth and a relaxing exhalation through the mouth. Okay, we're going to do this for 2 minutes, then we're going to go completely empty and just relax. Let's get into it. Sitting nice and tall, inhale through the mouth and relax. Into the mouth and relax. And continue. Fully in, letting go. Fully in, letting go. Let your focus be on the full inhalation, just relaxing exhalation. Last 20 seconds. Last one, fully in and letting go. Go completely empty and relax. Be completely empty, completely still. Let your mind and body relax into this space of no breath. Relax the body, relax the mind. Allow yourself to go inside, to completely relax, to completely let go. When you feel you need to take a breath, there's no need to force it. You can just completely inhale. Hold the breath in for 10 to 15 seconds. And then relax. Beautiful. That was one round of this breathing. If you want, you can repeat that up to 3 times. Otherwise, just take a moment to notice where you are now. Feeling this relaxation in the body, energizing, clearing of the mind. It's so amazing what can change with just a couple minutes of focused breathing. Thank you so much for joining me for this 5-minute power-up session. Let me know in the comment section below how it was for you. If you enjoyed it, remember I've got a whole playlist of power-up sessions here. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and have a beautiful day. Namaste.